In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money from Sendwave 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to verify your account and get ready to receive money straight to your mobile wallet. Before any transfer can arrive, make sure your Sendwave account is verified and that the person sending you money has a verified account as well. Verification helps keep your transfers secure and prevents delays. Open your Sendwave app and log in with your account. From the home screen, tap the menu icon or your profile picture to open your account options. Choose Verify Account. Here, enter your full legal name and your date of birth exactly as they appear on your ID. Consistency matters, so double check spellings and numbers. You'll be asked to select the purpose of your account. Choose the option that best describes why you're using Sendwave. When that's set, tap Finish, then continue to move forward. Next, select your country. This determines which types of documents are accepted. Pick the document you plan to use, such as a national ID, passport, or driver's license. Tap Continue, and when prompted, tap Continue again to begin the capture process. Hit Start to open the camera. Now capture your document, place it on a flat surface in good light, avoid glare, and keep all corners visible. Hold your phone steady and follow the on-screen frame. When the image is clear, tap Submit Photo. After that, you'll complete a quick face verification. Tap Start Recording. To record your face, then tap Start. Look straight at the camera and follow any prompts, like turning your head slightly. Wait until the recording finishes. The app will confirm when it's done. Once your verification is approved, you're ready to receive money. Ask the sender to send funds to your registered mobile number on Sendwave. Make sure your mobile wallet is active and linked to that same number so the transfer lands in the right place. The sender will select your country and choose your mobile wallet provider inside their Sendwave app before sending. After the transfer is sent, you'll receive a confirmation message or SMS from your mobile wallet provider. This can take a few moments depending on network conditions. If you don't see a notification, check your wallet app balance, confirm your number in Sendwave matches your wallet number, and ensure you have a stable internet connection. That's it. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be set to receive money smoothly and securely with Sendwave.